What's up guys, this is Sunny back with another video. Today real quick I want to share with you guys one of the product I received from a brand called Litmor. So they were nice enough to send one of their wireless security battery camera. So today I want to do a quick unboxing for you guys and show you guys what this Litmor wireless battery camera comes with, and after that we'll configure this camera with app and basically show you guys the quality. Now what this camera basically offers. So look at the specs real quick, and after that I'll read you guys the specs. All right, so this camera does work with Alexa and Google Assistant. So camera is 100% wireless. You don't need a power cable, you don't need an internet cable, you don't need nothing. 125-degree field of view, 1080p HD video quality, 90 lumens spotlights. Basically the camera had built-in LED light. I'll show you guys. And then two-way talk. So it does have two-way talk. So if you see someone walking outside your house or in your room, you know, you can from your phone with the app, you can really, you know, like ask them, what are you doing here, or just, you know, tell them to get out. 106 decibel built-in siren. So this camera also have a siren built in. Okay, so if you just want to scare someone away, you can just turn the siren on and trust me, they will run. Customized motion zone and color night vision. Now this camera doesn't have like real IR night vision, but it does have like color night vision with LED light this camera comes with. So if you turn the LED lights on, you will have like a color night vision. And if you're planning on installing this camera outside, then most likely you should have other light outside also, so you can see clearly. Weatherproof and waterproof. So let me just do a quick unboxing and show you guys what this camera comes with. All right, so after you open the box, the first thing you'll find two papers here. Set up your camera, okay, and then read me before you use. All right, so let's see the camera. All right, so here is the camera. Hopefully you guys can see. And this one is basically a mount, okay, so you can just pull it out, okay, and does come with 4 screws so you can mount it. Front the camera you have the camera itself, then 2 LED light right here for nighttime recording. Then you have motion sensor, you have a microphone built in, and you also have speaker right here. So this speaker is for siren and two-way talk. And then you have quarter 20 thread right here. So if you want to use like a different mount, you can use. Now let's see what else we have inside the box. All right, so we have another white box. All right, so inside this white box we have and then we have screws right here, mount screws, and then USB cable for charging. So you guys can see here you have lock and unlock. So basically we need to just twist it clockwise and then just open it. Now right after you open, you can see there is 2 batteries inside. Okay, these batteries are rechargeable. Now here you can see there is a reset button and micro USB port, so you can charge these batteries. So just pull this plastic out and you guys can see the battery came out. Now right underneath the battery there is a micro SD card slot, so you can install micro SD card, I believe up to 32 gig. Alright guys, so real quick let me show you guys how to set up this camera and how this camera works. You can download the iOS app from App Store or Android app from Google Play. So let's jump in. Alright guys, so the setup process is really simple. Now if you guys are confused, you can always follow their instruction here. Set up your camera. Now you can just download the Litmor app from App Store if you have a iPhone. If you have an Android phone, you can download from Google Play Store. Now after you download the app, you can just open the Litmor app, and then you need to sign up a account. So just go to sign up, and then type your name. So I'll just type here Sunny, and then just enter your email. So let me just do this real quick. You can click continue. So basically the app will send a identification code to your email address. Alright, so now I need to pick the camera, and I have this one, so let me select this camera. And also I need to scan the QR code, so you'll find the QR code behind the camera right here after you open the cover. So let me just scan the QR code real quick. Alright, and after you scan the QR code, you need to name your device. So Litmor Cam 1 should be fine. Next. Now press and hold the reset button. Okay. Red light flashing. Okay, so mine red light is already flashing, so red light flashing. Okay, I can allow the location. And now basically I need to enter my 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi password. So let me enter this password. Alright, and you will make some noise. So the camera is making the noise right now. Okay, green light flashing. Connecting to Wi-Fi. Alright, success. So go to device page and watch live. Oh, so you guys can see my face here. Alright. Oh, I have an autofocus box on my face. Alright. So let me set up this camera. Let me see. Because I'll test this camera inside my room. So let me set this camera up real quick. Alright, so just for testing purpose, I have the camera on my closet right now, top on my closet. And I just wanted to show you guys how this camera works. So later on, maybe I'll mount it on the wall up there. But for now, I'll just leave it here. App is opening. And we can watch live. Hopefully you can hear. So I'm recording right now. Hopefully you guys can hear my voice through the camera's mic. And right now I have lights on my room. And you can find this video footage in your phone photo album or video album. Now if we go back, now if we go to setting real quick here, you guys can see there is a lot of settings. So device on off setting, device name, live view, then we have schedule, we have real-time notification. So basically you can turn the notification on and the camera will send you notification. Device sharing, Litmor Plus, monitor area. So basically you can make like maybe custom zone. You can set custom zone. And then motion detection, talkback volume, that's the siren right here. And then Wi-Fi signal. So there is a bunch of options you'll find. And then we have battery percentage here, 60%, firmware version 1.4.3. All right. So let me turn off the light real quick so we can test this camera without any room light. So let me turn off the light and you guys can see really dark. And now we can turn on camera's LED light. All right, so the LED lights are on and you guys can see here. Okay, and let me record this. All right, so I'm recording right now. And you guys can see I only have my monitor and the keyboard light on. So if we turn off the LED light, and you can see really dark, but you still see the monitor screen. All right, and let me turn the light on, room light. Okay, so I have the room light on right now. Save this recording, and let me turn the siren on for you guys. This thing is really loud. All right, ready? This thing is really loud. Alright guys, that should be it. I don't want it to go too in-depth. I just wanted to show you guys real quick how this camera works. And so far this camera is working really good. So guys, let me know what you guys think. Leave your comment in the comment section. And see you guys next one. Peace.